Hey chemistry students, today we're going to practice reading a burette. So right here we have a burette with some liquid in it, and if we look and observe, we see that it's very close to the 0.5 mark of 22. So we're going to read at the bottom of where the liquid stops, so that would be the meniscus, and to me this looks like it's 22.49 milliliters. Right, we're going to do some practice problems. So for the orange problem right here, we have 0.678, so I think this is 9.
So somewhere between the 0.8 and the 0.9, we have to envision 10 slots between that 8 and that 0.9, and we're going to say somewhere around, that could have been an 8, a 9, maybe a 7, but that last digit's the guess. Very good. So now let's do this one.
So
we're going to read at the bottom of the meniscus, so that's right there.
Right here. And so now what I think it's very close to the 20 mark. So what I'm going to say is this is the 0.9 mark, so 19.98.
Right, so you might have said 19.97, 98, that last digit's the guess, but we need that last digit.
Right. We're going to read from the top to the bottom. So right here, it looks really close to the 0.5 mark. So I actually think that this is 1.5 milliliters.
Right, and we're going to add that 0 because that is your guess. You might have guessed 0.49, but you need that 0.
Right. So here, we're reading between the 7 and 8, and this is a little bit below the 0.7 mark. So I think that this is 7.79.
Right. So
here for our last problem, the green problem, here is the 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, but it's not quite to the 0.4 mark, so I think this is actually 11.39 milliliters.
Yep. Now, what do you guys think? Put in the comments below, what is our final volume for this flask, and what volume was dispensed? If we started with the volume up here and then the volume came down, what is the final volume? And we'll put that in our next video.